Ayan, nasa Naples pa rin ako. Di pa kami naglalakad. Ayan, si Miel sa aking likod. Tingin-tingin habang nagkakape yung mga tiga dito. Beautiful. Amoy, ano talaga? Seaside. Bango. Amoy dagat. Hope you're all okay. God bless you. Nandito ako ngayon sa Naples. Katabi ng dagat. Oo, parang huwag natin pakita yung basura kasi ayan, may cafe-cafe sa likod na yan na lang. Baklaran na. Oo, naalala ko ang Baklaran at ang seaside dahil doon kami namimili lang mga isda ng maliit. At since hindi ako nag-blow dry, naka-fly away yung bangs ko. How are you all? Love you guys.
Small town, big heart, building dreams that always fall apart. Slow days, fast cars, nowhere to go, so we stay where we are. There's only one way in and one way out. Seems like it's always cloudy in this town. I'll find sunshine in the rain. I'll let the storm wash me away to the other side of that one-stop sign. We've been scared of our whole lives. I'll find home in lonely days. I'll find sunshine in the rain. Dad's gone, 9 to 5. Works real hard at keeping on the lights of that neon sign. Mom's glued to the TV, all her answers laid out on the screen, watching Jeopardy. The weather lady's nowhere to be found, 'cause it's always cloudy in this town. I'll find sunshine